You are watching Z Kids Media.
Essay on my best friend. A best friend is someone who understands you like no one else. My best friend is the most special person in my life. We met in school and have been close ever since. They are kind, honest, and always supportive. We share everything, from secrets to snacks. My best friend helps me when I'm sad or confused. We laugh together, play together, and sometimes even cry together. Their smile can brighten up my worst day. We love watching movies and playing games. My best friend is also great at studies and helps me learn. They never judge me and always encourage me. We have many fun memories from school trips and birthdays. My best friend is like family to me. They always stand by me, no matter what. We trust each other completely. My best friend is brave and never gives up. I admire their honesty and loyalty. I feel lucky to have such a wonderful friend. Our friendship is strong and full of love. I hope we stay best friends forever.
Thanks for learning with us today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun learning. See you next time. Bye.